Right, so we will start chanting the Omkar while everyone joins. Maybe a couple more minutes until 7. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Let's keep the eyes closed, join the hands at back of the body. You can interlock the fingers. Bow down to the Mother Supreme Earth. Raise both hands up toward the ceiling. Push head and trunk as low as possible. Inhale, come back up. Rub the palms against each other. Make them warm, generate urja. Let the warm hands all over the face and eyes. Blink the eyes few times in dark. Slowly slide the hands down over the face. Gently open the eyes. And let's start with some light exercise. Sukshma Vyayam. Inhale. Raise both hands up. Stretch the upper body upward. Exhale. Twist the upper body to the one side. Look back. Align chin with the shoulder. Keep pushing the knee forward. Inhale. Back to center. To the second side. Try to keep trunk vertical, back straight. We are just twisting the upper body. Feel the twist, feel the stretches. Inhale, back to center. One more time. Try to stay in pose for until 7 counts. 4, 5, 6, 7. Inhale, back to center. And complete onto the second side. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Inhale, come back to center. We bring both hands onto the knees. Try to keep the middle of the trunk straight. Bend from the lower back. We will do 360-degree rotation at the waist. Deep inhale. As we deep exhale, bend down completely. Then turn the upper body into circular fashion towards one side. As we inhale, come back. Exhale, bend down toward the other side. Elbows alternatively. One will be fully folded, one will be completely straight. Try to do a maximum circle, the biggest circle possible. About 4 circles in one direction, then reverse direction. You can close the eyes, keep the awareness within the body, specifically at the lower back area. Okay, and once you complete 4 and 4, and relax, breathe in and out normal couple of times. Okay, bus, both of you. Okay, and let's stand up. Separate feet 3 to 4 feet apart. We will slide one hand along with the leg, raise other hand up, deep inhale, stretch the other hand toward the ceiling. As we exhale, bend down towards sideways, keep looking up. We can reach out to the ankle. Inhale, back to center. It's a variation of Tiryak Tadasana. To the other side. Keep looking up into the ceiling while we get into the pose. Come back. We'll do one more time, both the side. Come back and complete onto the second side. Come back. Now extend both hands sideways. Deep inhale. Exhale. Grab the big toe with opposite side hand. Other hand will go 90 degrees up. Look up into the ceiling through the palm. Inhale. Come back to star position. Exhale to the other side. Try to keep knees straight, elbows straight. Keep awareness at the lower back. Inhale, back to star. We'll do one more time. Come back and complete onto the second side. Come back. Bring both hands at the lower back. Push the thumbs on the sacrum. Deep inhale, arch backward. Look into the back wall. Feel the full compression at the lumbar area, lower back area. Extension at the pelvis area. Exhale, come back up, straighten the trunk. Inhale again. Exhale, bend forward and down. Keeping the knees straight, we'll push head and trunk as down as possible. We can use little force. Inhale, come back up. And let's move in front of the mat. Let's put the music, mantra. Let's follow the beats. Roll the shoulders back and down, and let's begin.
भानवे नमः। खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ मरीचये नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्काय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ मरीचये नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्काय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः।
मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ मरीचये नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्काय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृ सूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ मरीचये नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्काय नमः। भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ मरीचये नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्काय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ मरीचये नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्काय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ मरीचये नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्काय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ मरीचये नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्काय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्काय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ मरीचये नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्काय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ मरीचये नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्काय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ मरीचये नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्काय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ मरीचये नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्काय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः ॐ पूष्णे नमः ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः ॐ मरीचये नमः ॐ आदित्याय नमः ॐ सवित्रे नमः ॐ अर्काय नमः ॐ भास्कराय नमः ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः ॐ मित्राय नमः ॐ रवये नमः ॐ सूर्याय नमः ॐ भानवे नमः ॐ खगाय नमः ॐ पूष्णे नमः ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः ॐ मरीचये नमः ॐ आदित्याय नमः ॐ सवित्रे नमः ॐ अर्काय नमः ॐ भास्कराय नमः ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः ॐ मित्राय नमः ॐ रवये नमः ॐ सूर्याय नमः ॐ भानवे नमः ॐ खगाय नमः ॐ पूष्णे नमः ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः ॐ मरीचये नमः ॐ आदित्याय नमः ॐ सवित्रे नमः ॐ अर्काय नमः ॐ भास्कराय नमः ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः ॐ मित्राय नमः ॐ रवये नमः ॐ सूर्याय नमः ॐ भानवे नमः ॐ खगाय नमः ॐ पूष्णे नमः ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः ॐ मरीचये नमः ॐ आदित्याय नमः ॐ सवित्रे नमः ॐ अर्काय नमः ॐ भास्कराय नमः ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः ॐ मित्राय नमः ॐ रवये नमः ॐ सूर्याय नमः ॐ भानवे नमः ॐ खगाय नमः ॐ पूष्णे नमः ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः ॐ मरीचये नमः ॐ आदित्याय नमः ॐ सवित्रे नमः ॐ अर्काय नमः ॐ भास्कराय नमः ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः ॐ मित्राय नमः ॐ रवये नमः ॐ सूर्याय नमः ॐ भानवे नमः ॐ खगाय नमः ॐ पूष्णे नमः ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः ॐ मरीचये नमः ॐ आदित्याय नमः ॐ सवित्रे नमः ॐ अर्काय नमः ॐ भास्कराय नमः ॐ श्री सवितृ सूर्यनारायणाय नमः ॐ मित्राय नमः ॐ रवये नमः ॐ सूर्याय नमः ॐ भानवे नमः ॐ खगाय नमः ॐ पूष्णे नमः ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः ॐ मरीचये नमः ॐ आदित्याय नमः ॐ सवित्रे नमः ॐ अर्काय नमः ॐ भास्कराय नमः ॐ श्री सवितृ सूर्यनारायणाय नमः ॐ मित्राय नमः ॐ रवये नमः ॐ सूर्याय नमः ॐ भानवे नमः ॐ खगाय नमः ॐ पूष्णे नमः ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः ॐ मरीचये नमः ॐ आदित्याय नमः ॐ सवित्रे नमः ॐ अर्काय नमः ॐ भास्कराय नमः ॐ श्री सवितृ सूर्यनारायणाय नमः ॐ मित्राय नमः ॐ रवये नमः ॐ सूर्याय नमः ॐ भानवे नमः ॐ खगाय नमः ॐ पूष्णे नमः ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः ॐ मरीचये नमः ॐ आदित्याय नमः ॐ सवित्रे नमः ॐ अर्काय नमः ॐ भास्कराय नमः ॐ श्री सवितृ सूर्यनारायणाय नमः
Good morning, Hari Om, Hari Om, Hari Om, Hari Om. Let's check up the whole body, leg, feet, thighs, hands, to generate more activities within the body, more heartbeat, more pulse rate, more blood circulation, more breathing rate. Whichever way you want, you can add some yogic jogging. And lay down in Shavasana, complete rest, full relax. Close the eyes, Deep breath in, deep breath out few times, then let the breath become completely normal, natural. Keep the awareness within the body, feel the body weight, and notice how the body weight is transferred to the floor. We will scan the body internally to see how we feel within, moving awareness very precisely, body part by body part, from head to toes, and then toes to the head, making a round trip. And each point we will try to recognize, acknowledge any kind of sensation, heartbeat, pulse, blood circulation, vibrations, anything, whatever we can feel for 3 minutes to make the trip, starting now. Last 10 seconds to bring the awareness back to the head. Bring feet together, squeeze and release the toes a couple of times, then move them onto side by side. Also turn the head on both the sides. Then give body a big stretch. Yastikasana, stick pose, full stretch. Push all the toes together forward, hands together, and push them into the opposite direction. Feel the body elongated a few centimeters along with the floor. Full stretch, 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 and relax. Bring both hands sideways, keeping the elbows straight, palms facing down, fold at the knees. Heels will be at the hips. Deep inhale, deep exhale. Drop the knees towards floor. on the left, turn the head towards right, push the palms into the floor, and feel the good twist, good stretches at the spine. Inhale, back to center. Exhale to the other side. Knees on the floor towards right, head towards left. Feel the twist, feel the stretches. Inhale, back to center. Lift the feet a little bit up. Exhale, drop the folded legs towards left, head towards right. Inhale, back to center. Exhale to the other side. And stay for few seconds, then bring the entire body towards right. And stay on right for a couple more breaths in and out. And bring the body into any comfortable sitting posture. Continue with closed eyes. We will do Chandra Nadi Pranayam. Breathe in and breathe out through left nostril only. Make a Vishnu Mudra on right hand. Using a right thumb tip to press and hold the right nostril so we can breathe in and out through left only. So deep breathe in, deep breathe out. Complete the round. When we breathe out on left, then just relax both the hands. Get them into Dhyan Mudra. Breathe in and out normal. Keep the back straight. Relax shoulders. Deep inhale, and we will do one long Omkar chanting. Feel the vibrations. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Rub the palms against each other. Apply a little bit more pressure on palms to generate more urja, make them more warm. Place the warm hands all over the face and eyes. Blink the eyes under the palms to let the urja enter into the eyes. Move the bottom of the palms over the eyes, fingers cross over the forehead. Gently massage the eyelids. Spread the fingers apart. Slowly slide the hands down over the face. Gently open the eyes. Rub the palms one more time. Place them on top of the head, back of the head, neck, throat, shoulders, arms, trunk, legs, back, or any problem part within the body to spread the energy within. Hari Om Tat Sat Shri Guru Pyo Namaha. Good morning, everybody. Jai Shri Krishna and good day.